Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, Monkey. Just get the light on, it's a bit better. Today is Sunday, the 27th. It's 5 to 5. So yeah, just a quick catch up. I've got my beautiful petunias here. They're looking really well. These are getting ready to flower, so I'll be taking some cuttings off these. Back there I have some pinks, some carnations, and then up here is just drying off. They'll be getting marigolds and some other things that get ready for putting on. I have my potatoes that I bought from Wilco's a week or so ago. I'm going to start chitting them soon and then potting them up because I'm going to grow my own spuds this year. Here we have some lemon balm, some I thought not delphiniums, let's get them out. And at the back there, you see there, we have some agastache up there. Can you see those? They're all growing really well. As we come round, I've got 2 of these last week, so I'm really looking forward to start using these. I got a discount of £2 because it was broken at the corner. But they are deep gravel trays, so I can water them on my shelves without having it drain off into the lights below. So it's great. Here we have, these are some of my stuff. That's a petunia, a lupin, sorry. Alright, poppies there. Here's some dahlias, some phlox. 8 begonias for £6. I don't think you can go wrong at them prices. I have some lupins there, some Chelsea mix. There's 4 of those. And these are my delphiniums that are split, divided. I've got 1, 2, 3, 6 there, 7, which is great. And if you come round here, these are my trays here. I have Verbascum, Snow Maiden, Dianthus, some cornflowers back there. Then we have some more petunias, 2 lots there. Some delphiniums at the back, some pensimons. Then we have some dahlias over the back there. You can just see those. And I have some let me think now. Yeah, we have some radishes there, and we have some of these beautiful pink carnations that are flowering. Lovely electric pink, they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. So yeah, they're all growing nicely there. Some nice dahlias at the back there. Some spring onions. Here, as we come across here, we have some dahlia cuttings at the back there. Some dahlias in trays. And some begonias that I've just started. So, and we'll just come down here. Have some beautiful tomatoes. Some begonias. Some freesias. Some pelargoniums. Trailing fuchsias back there. Just look here, we have some cosmos. That's the only one that's grown out there. That's my fault. Overwatered and didn't let them dry out in between. If you can look back here, there's some beautiful flowers on these. If you can just see those, absolutely gorgeous. Really proud of those. Spin that round like so. Get this begonia out of the way. These pelargoniums are absolutely outstanding. You can see those. A little bit of a close-up. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, I have some strawberry seeds that I've sown as well at the back there. So yeah, here we have, what do we got there? Nemesia, Viola and Calendula. All those looking great. I shall keep the lid off those now. So that's what I'm starting to do. So yeah, that's everything in my greenhouse. Some sweet peas there, by the way. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything at all, some of you are asking me what I feed my plants. Well, I've got some Tomarite, which is a really good concentrated tomato food, which also works for flowers really well, and some Miracle-Gro all-purpose. When they're small seedlings, you can use this, just dilute it double what it says. Just like half, whatever it says, when they're small seedlings. So yeah, say goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Yeah, hope everybody enjoyed watching. Hope everybody's keeping safe. Thank you very much for all your support. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.